Hello, welcome back to Camus Classics. Today we're going to paint the frame. We said we wouldn't do it, but we are going to go ahead and show you how we did that. We did the prep work. We'll put a link to our engine video for the prep work of what we did. We are going to brush it on. We do have put it into a separate container. We're not doing it right out of the can. If we need to add more, we can go add more, a little more. We have plenty, but we're going to go ahead and brush it on. And we'll show you that. You can see we did put down a drop cloth. So we did paint this before, we sprayed it before. But we're going to brush it this time.
I'm getting fish eyes in it. Better hold off a minute and let's see what them do. You make the call.
I think we're gonna go ahead. I've seen that happen on this before. So it is a little warm in here, so it will kind of dry a little faster than it should. Again, with this paint, you just want to make sure you're wearing clothes that you don't worry too much about, because it will get on you and it does not come off. So we'll get the top here, let it kind of dry out a little bit and show you how this paint just kind of flows out. And then we'll montage doing the rest of it, show you more at the end. Big frame, so Dad can be painting as well. Our camera people are in down south, southern Utah, enjoying some much needed vacation, so we don't have our camera people today. I'm kind of watching as well for any runs, and while it's still wet I can run those out and eliminate them. So we are going to be painting over this eventually, but we want to protect it as much as we can. So we're kind of using this as a seal coat. And what we'll do is you can just hit it with like some 220 sandpaper. Go straight to primer, regular automotive primer on top of it. Okay, so we've basically got that. I do got to get the back side of it. But we are going to go ahead and throw a montage. We'll just get the whole thing painted. Dad will jump over and we'll come back to you and show you the final product.
Montage.
Okay, so we got it painted. I got a little bit on me. Try and get it off. We use their KBS thinner. Hopefully I can get it off. If not, we'll have to shave our arm a little bit because it's just in the hair. But if you want to come take a look, you know, granted we're not going for show yet, but we have it. You know, basically what we wanted was to have it in paint so that we could, you know, keep it from rusting, keep the Bondo on it. Basically we took the Bondo and we just smoothed it, flattened it. We have some places we're gonna have to touch up. The problem is this stuff is 7-day dry time. So basically we're not gonna be able to touch it for another 7 days. So thanks for watching, like, share, and subscribe.